So a young lady reached out to me the other day, and she told me she had been bullied for 8 years out of her 10-year employment. She has a videotape of her getting bullied at work. She also said that her employer offered her a small settlement through her workers' comp lawyer on the condition that she resigns. With the years of service, she said absolutely not. She's been on medical leave for 1 year. Way to go, taking advantage of those benefits. And like I said, she did absolutely right by not taking a tiny behind settlement, because first of all, that videotape, that's gold to a lawyer. That is all a lawyer needs. I mean, handing them something on a silver platter. And what I always tell you guys is that a lawyer is not going to take your case if they don't think that they're going to win. You have to have the documentation, the evidence to back you up. Lawyers got egos, y'all, and they also like to get paid. And if you call them up and say, hey, well, I think on this day, and you don't have emails and pictures and videos and text messages, if you don't have these things, they can't help you. So what she has is brilliant, number one. Number two, I must add this, is that any kind of recordings, you guys, you need to check in your state to find out what is legal for you to protect yourself. Because the last thing I want you guys to do is to get yourselves in a bind because you're trying to protect yourself and then you're doing something illegal. So before you even start your documentation process, if you need to, make sure that you're staying within the lines of the law. Okay. So my response to her was that, first of all, it sounds to me that this is her job's in-house workers' comp attorney. And yes, you guys, let me sidebar for a second. Mental health, you guys, qualifies. If you have been injured on a job mentally, it qualifies for you to get workers' comp. So if you're ever in a situation that you're calling employment attorneys and you're just looking up employment attorneys, also look up workers' comp attorneys. And usually they're one and the same, and they can help you out in either case. Hell, they could probably push 2 cases for you. Okay. So yes, some of them have done civil and workers' comp cases. So yeah, get the right lawyer, and I guarantee you, you will get your justice as long as you have your documentation. But it sounds to me that they lowballed her because they used their in-house workers' comp attorney. And I know quite a few of you guys have written into me to let me know that you're going through the same thing. You have the evidence, but they're trying to lowball you. And they have specified that they have been offered their in-house workers' comp lawyer provided by their job. You go get your own. Pick up the phone, let them know you got hard evidence, and you're willing to set an appointment to go in there and show it to them. So I hope this nugget of wisdom helps someone out there. Until next time, I am Kristen Peoples with BossUpCulture.org. Bye.